Hi, today we're going to see how to create a Galaxy face logo in Photopea. So the first thing we need to do is to remove the background from our layer here. So select the layer. So here it is, and now go to select and then remove BG. So here we will need to watch an ad. So press OK. So here it is. So even though the result is not perfect here, but it's okay. I'm not going to keep this part here. So now just select this raster mask here, right click on it and then click on apply. And now I'm just going to increase the canvas size here. So go to image and then canvas size. So now I'm going to add, for example, the 3500 pixels width, press enter. Make sure you don't check the chain icon here to keep the aspect ratio, and now just click OK. So here it is. So now I'm going to create a new layer to create a background for my image here, for my layer. So click on this icon here to create a new layer. So here it is, place it under the person layer here. So now I'm going to add the gradient. So left click here, select the gradient tool. So now for the gradient, left click. So now I'm going to double click here. So for the color, I'm going to change it to this gray color here. Press OK. And then here, just press OK. And now for the shape here, I'm going to go with the radial. And now I'm just going to trace my gradient from the center. So here it is. So it is from white to gray. So now let's select our person layer, this one here. Now I'm just going to add a new adjustment layer to it. So left click here and now select the threshold. So here it is. And now I just want to adjust this threshold here. So I want to make the person here, mainly the face here appear since I want the face. So here, I think here it's okay. So I'm going to leave it here like this. So here it is. Now I'm going to click here to close that window here. So now I'm going to left click here to select this layer here, right click and then merge down to merge it with this one here. So now I'm going to scale up my layer here. So let's select the move tool. So here it is, and now I'm going to check the transform controls. Now I'm going to scale up my layer. Here I'm going to place it here like this. So here it is. Now let's go back to the move tool here. I'm just going to uncheck it. So here it is. And now I'm going to add a circle shape here since I want to make it kind of logo. So I just want to clip it to the circle. So left click here, select the ellipse tool. And now in order to create a perfect circle, hold the shift key and then trace your circle here. So here it is. So let's say I'm going to reduce the opacity of the circle so you can see layer under the person, and now select the move tool, and now I'm just going to place it. So I'm going to reduce the size here of the circle a little bit. So here like this. So here it is. So here it is, and I'm just going to bring back the opacity of the circle. So here like this, and now I'm going to place it under the person layer, this one here. So now I'm going to rasterize this layer. So right click and then rasterize. So I'm just going to uncheck the transform controls and then move. So try to center it here like this. And now I'm going to select the pixels here inside my circle layer. So hold the control key and then left click. So here it is. Here's my selection. You can also go to right click. So you can also right click and then select pixels. So here it is. And now I'm going to select my person layer, this one here. Now I just want to keep what's inside the circle. So go to layer, raster mask, and then here click on the reveal selection. It will keep only what's inside my selection from the person layer. So left click. So here it is. And now right click on the raster mask and then apply. And now from the circle here layer, I just want to keep a kind of stroke. So I'm going to select it again. So left click on it and then hold the control key and then left click to create a selection again from it. So here it is. Here's my selection. And now I'm just going to reduce the size of my selection. So go to So go to select, modify, and then here contract. So now say I'm going to reduce it by 5 pixels. So here it's not that much. I'm going to go with 10 pixels, press enter, maybe 15. So I think here it's okay, and then click OK. And now just press the delete key on your keyboard. Make sure you're on the circle layer to delete the selection. So here it is. Now let's go to select, deselect to remove our selection. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to place my person layer under the stroke. So here it is. And now right click on the top layer and then merge down. So here it is. Now I'm just going to center my layer here like this. And now I'm going to remove the white color. So go to filter, other, and then here color to alpha. So here to remove the black color, so left click. So I want to remove the white color. So here it is, and now press OK. So here it is, it kept only the black color. You can also, for example, control transparency threshold and the opacity threshold. So for me, it's okay here, and now press OK. And now I'm going to bring my galaxy layer. So here it is. Now I'm going to move it here on top and then scale it up to cover the whole layer. So here like this, so here it is, and now right click, rasterize. And now I'm going to place my galaxy layer under the person layer so that I can adjust, select the person layer, select the move tool. So now I can adjust the person, so here like this, so here it is. So now that I like the effect, place the person layer under the galaxy layer, select the galaxy layer, right click on it, and then choose clip-in mask. So here it is. And now I'm just going to merge down these two layers here, right click on the top layer and then merge down. So here it is. So here it is. That's how you can create a Galaxy face logo in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and till next time.